I'm back. So today's going to be just a simple vital sound from one of my recent songs, and before you panic, I am still making some real cool serum tutorials, so don't think that just because I'm doing vital sounds all of a sudden this is a vital channel, because no, it's just, the sound we're going to be doing today is going to be all the cool wonky sounds, and I don't want to just show you it by itself because I made a song, so why not show you the song?
On the place to
So this is with the paid version of Vital, so if you don't have that, then I apologize. I'm pretty sure this will work with any wavetable. Pretty much, we're just going to be taking advantage of the random amplitude spectral morphing, and we're going to be applying that to Pew Hits the Fan today, and I think that is... where the heck is it? Pew Hits the Fan in the Tam Lateet hat. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pitch this down to 36, like that. Alright, and let's go ahead and make an LFO real quick. And for this LFO, I did these cool little, this little triangle right here, like that. And then I just curved this down a little bit. And then I made another little triangle that does not go as high. So let's put it like right here. And let's do the same little curve, like that. But then I just moved it over a little bit so it came in a little sooner. Can move it up a little bit more like that, yeah. And then, well, bam, we just do one more little triangle right here like that. And that's kind of it for the LFO. And then for the second LFO, all I did was just make this straight line and put this on 1/4. And what I did here is I just took that and put it on the wavetable right here to go through as the sound progresses. I have so much stuff on my piano, what the heck? Oh, no. Oh, gosh. Ah. Can you tell I prepare for my videos? Holy cow, that's so loud. Next, I took the LFO one and I threw it on the level and then just made it go to like 73. I think it's 75 is like the normal level. Next up, I just made this 3 voices. Then I took the LFO and put it on the random amplitude and I put it on 0.21 for this first sound. So to clean it up a bit, I turned on my good buddy band, peak, and notch, like that. I turned down the resonance all the way. I turned this all the way down to like 44 hertz. Like there, like 43, it's good. And then I threw on the LFO for like, I'd say, I think like 52, yeah. And you're starting to get that little shape and coolness that we're looking for. In order to bring that out more, I turned on a distortion, but I don't think I actually did anything with it, so I think this might just be a lie. But what we're really looking for is just to turn on the compressor, which I threw after distortion, and I literally just increased the right band all the way. I just threw it all the way up, and then just took these, took the ratio and just my ears, my poor ears. And then to really finish the sound off, I went ahead and just took this, increased the gain a ton. I pressed this right here. I wish you could do double peak, but that doesn't matter. All that matters is that we took this and we put it down to like 13, and then took our LFO and threw it on here for 35. 36 is the resonance. I went like whooping. And then I did a little peak here, and then I took the cutoff down from 600 hertz and just did that typical little shape I like to do in the EQ. And there you go, man. And then I threw it on a bus. And on the bus, I just did an OTT with 20% depth. Way too much EQ. This is probably not necessary. Just figure it out. Another OTT with 20% depth, and then I limited it, which I also probably don't need. Now, what's cool about this patch, I'm gonna take it off. What's cool about this patch is if you want to get a lot of cool different sounds, you can just change the amp. That's how I got the second sound in the song right here. So now you have all these cool wonky sounds. Hooray. Go get them, champ. Now, if you're interested in getting the sound, I will, of course, upload it to my Patreon, which I lacked very much so in November. So I'm keeping the encryption code that I usually change every month the same, so people that still have it can still access sounds for an extra month. If you're interested in getting this sound and all my other Serum sounds, please check out my Patreon, because I put a lot of work into it, even though I just said that I don't. I have a Discord, and I would love for you to join it. I would love for you to subscribe. I would love all those nice things. Please help me. All right, that's going to be it today, guys.